how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great. So today I'm going to be doing a brand new subscription. It's the Birchbox subscription. I wanted to get into other subscriptions and I've heard a little bit about Birchbox, but I wanted to see it for myself. So I tried it out and it's over here. So before we get into the little goodies I got to this month, like this video, also subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. And also, if you guys want to leave me a comment, any suggestions, you could do that right down here. And also, if you want to see me outside of YouTube, my Instagram will be right here. You can go and send me some love, send me a comment, and yeah, so let's get into it, guys. Okay, guys, so this is how it came out. I'm trying to cover my address, but this is how it came out. And then the box goes like this. There was like a piece over here that I was able to rip out, and then you open it up and there's the cute little box. I did go into it. This is not my first time opening it up, obviously, but I wanted to show you how I got it. And it's this cute little blue box with some leaves and some flowers and stuff. And you open it up and it has this cute little Birchbox tip card, and it says, for the next 10 minutes, enjoy some you time. You deserve it. And in the other side, it actually has the products and how much the full size cost, which obviously some of them, these are all sample size, but if you're interested in, buying the full size, you know how much it costs, but I'll let you guys know how much each product costs. And then underneath that, there's another card, and it says Female Founder Collection, Birchbox. And then there's this Women Are Power, and there's like a woman, and there's the loudspeaker, and it says now, and then there's the feminine sign over here. And there's flowers and the lion, hear us roar. And behind it, there's 3 founders, but then there's a description underneath about their stuff and where to follow them as well, which is really cool. So let's get on to the products. I'm gonna open it up. And one of the first products, which I already have it kind of out of the little packaging, is this sponge. And guys, when I saw the picture of this sponge on the app, I was like, oh, cool. It was going to be a sponge, like pretty big, a decent sized sponge. But let me show you how small this sponge is. All right, so this is my Real Technique sponge. This is not wet. And this is the sponge that I got, which is wet, but you could see how small it is, even though it's wet. But it does the job, if you want to really get under here, if you want to do, your full face. But I feel like it's a nice travel size sponge. I really like it. It's nice and squishy. Like, this one's not wet, but when the Real Technique sponge is wet, it's just as squishy. But look, you see how nice and squishy it is? And let me get some info on these products. This is the Base Blue Air Sponge. It helps apply your makeup evenly using less product. Wet sponge, gently squeeze so it's damp. Dip to the tip into a liquid cream formula and gently bounce on your face to blend. The full size is $6.75. So apparently this is a sample size, but even for a sample size, it is a decent size. You can really get in there. And yeah, I really liked it. It was really nice. All right, so the next product is a gel cream by Marcel. And it's a 24 day and night moisturizer gel cream, hypoallergenic and fragrance free. And this moisturizer provides immediate and lasting hydration with a blend of high regenerative marine ingredients an innovative water lock complex made of 100% natural sugars. So the full size is $28. I did not try this, but I did like put it on my hand when I got it. Let me just try it a little bit now. See, it's like a clear. See how clear it is. And it is very gel, very watering. It feels really nice. And it does get tacky, which is something that gel cream moisturizers are, because they're trying to absorb water from the air and go to your skin to moisturize your skin. So it's really nice. And I don't know if it really has a scent. No, it doesn't have a scent at all, obviously.
Of course it doesn't. It says fragrance free.
But yeah, it's really nice. I'm gonna try it out, but I really love getting moisturizers. And I have a bunch of moisturizers that are all like small. I haven't had a big size moisturizer in a while, but I really appreciate it. This is really nice. All right, let's go to the next product. And the next product is the Oribe Split End Seal Beautiful Color Treatment. On the card it says, the silky hair serum and split end mender is clinically proven to restore and preserve strands, work into damp hair or dry hair to repair and protect. The full size of this is $48. So I tried it out. I put some on the ends of my hair. Like I said, I have other products on my hair. I did not check to see if this has silicone in it, but I feel like this is something that I would put maybe after my products and then just like put it in like to my ends, since it's a split end seal to help with your split ends. And I mean, you could put it all over your hair. I'm gonna check it out and I'll put it over here. And if it is silicone free, if it's not, I'll also put it somewhere over here. But it has a really nice like perfumey smell. If you're not into perfumes, it's kind of strong. It really depends if you are into fragranced hair care products. I really like it. It has like a nice like slippery, nice and silky kind of feel to it. Yeah, it is a little strong. I mean, like I said, it depends on how you feel about your hair care products with a scent, but I really enjoyed it. I'm gonna get into this a little bit more. I'm gonna check if it's silicone free and let you guys know. All right, so let's get to the next product, and it is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Deep Conditioning Treatment. Now this one is one of the biggest things I got from my bag. If you could see like this and this, it's a pretty big bottle, which I appreciate. And what it says on the card is, this treatment deeply hydrates to add bounce, manageability, and shine. Apply to damp hair and leave on shower cap encouraged for about 20 minutes before rinsing and shampooing. So this is something you do before you shampoo your hair, which I appreciate. It does not say what's inside, but I can actually read what's in the ingredient list here. It doesn't look, it has silicone in it, but maybe since I can wash it off, it might not mess up my curls. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see how it is. If I notice a difference with my curls, I might not use it, but I'm gonna try it out. Let me see. It doesn't say if it has a scent to it. Let me put some on my hand and see. Actually, I should put it on my underhand, right? Because I have a scent here already. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand and see if maybe there's a smell to it. It's very creamy, very nice. It's actually light. I mean, I did put a little bit on my hand. No, it doesn't have a scent, which is nice. I mean, it's a mask. It doesn't need a scent. You are going to wash and condition your hair afterwards. So if you like scent in your shampoo and conditioner, it won't disrupt that. So that's great. But I'm going to let you guys know more about this. But yeah, I'm into that stuff. I'm really into that stuff. I'm really trying to get my hair nice and healthy and beautiful and bring back my beautiful curls. I've been in a hair care journey for a while. So yes, this is very exciting. Next product is the Type A brand Visionary Deodorant. It says this aluminum-free, all-natural deodorant formula releases odor and wetness fighter throughout the day for long-lasting protection in a crisp, clean scent. Now, I have this on today. I tried it out. It's really cool. The applicator, it's something like this. I might have it a close-up for you guys of how it looks and like how it comes out of the tube. But it's very interesting. And it's a very like lemongrass smell. I don't mind. It's actually kind of refreshing. Listen, as long as deodorant keeps my stank out of there, I don't mind the sweat. As long as I don't get stinky, I don't mind it. And it's aluminum free, which is great. I've been on an aluminum free deodorant for about a year and a half now. And I've been trying to find a good aluminum free deodorant that keeps my, my area over there nice and fresh, so I don't, seem all like stinky in front of people. So this is great. I'm going to try this out. I also think this is also great for traveling as well. Not that, there will be a lot of that anytime soon, but, if you're going to like go somewhere at some point, this is a great thing to like bring, instead of like your big deodorant and stuff. All right, so let's go to the last product, which is Aero Nutrition Lip Oil. And it's this cute little thing over here. It's the smallest thing. It's actually smaller. Actually, no, it's bigger. It's bigger than the sponge, but it's smaller than some of the other products. It's pretty small. There's a chance that you could lose it, but try to keep it somewhere safe. But it is a lip oil, and it says this oil adds moisture to lips and locks it in with a blend of Olay, coconut oil, and shea butter. Plus, it gives lips a subtle tint by reacting to the lip level of your skin. This seems really interesting. Let me see the smell. There's not, at least from what I could tell, there's not much of a smell to it. And yeah, there's not much showing much ingredients on it. It is a small little bottle, but it says that it has the Olay, coconut oil, and shea butter. There's probably other ingredients as well to get this nice, oil-based lip product. And let me see if I could. It's like pink actually already, if you check it out. This is actually the conditioner from before. Sorry. But see, it's already kind of pink. I don't know if it will react to my skin, to my hand. I don't know. What do you think, guys? I don't know if it did anything. All right, guys, so this is the box for this month. I really enjoyed the products I got for this month. I'm really looking forward to the next one. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, like this video. If you want to see more of me and get notified of my videos, you could subscribe and ring the bell, leave a comment, and check me out on Instagram. But this is it, guys. This is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.